What if AI could do hours of product research for you in just a few seconds? Instead of manually searching throughout thousands of eBay listings, comparing suppliers and calculating profit margins one product at a time, which is insane, imagine simply telling AI what you're looking for and letting it do the heavy lifting for you. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video today. Whether you're just brand new to eBay dropshipping or you already experienced a seller managing a large store, this video can dramatically reduce the time you spend in product research while helping you discover more winning products every single day. Okay, so let's jump right into it and not waste time. Okay, let's see how AI can completely transform the way you find products for your eBay dropshipping business. So let's just first understand the idea behind AI-based product research. When it comes to eBay product research, I would say that there are like two main ways to find winning products using data, okay? The first is the manual approach, which is, the method most beginners start with. And the second is the AI-powered approach, which is commonly used by more experienced dropshippers. But honestly, beginners can benefit from it just as much. The biggest advantage of using AI is speed. Instead of spending hours researching products one by one, you can submit a single request and receive dozens or even hundreds of products that already match your criteria. Now, if you already have higher selling limits on your eBay account, AI tools become even more powerful. Okay, they can easily help you find 100, 200, or even more winning products every single day, making bulk uploading and scaling your business much easier. And if you're just getting started, using AI from day one can save you an enormous amount of time as well. Okay, instead of spending hours on product research, you can focus on other important parts of your business like customer service, listing optimization, and growing your store. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you two AI-powered tools that can scan massive databases in just a few seconds and return only the products that match the filters that you chose. These two tools are the Autopilot and the bulk scanner. And my goal today is to show you, especially if you're just starting your eBay dropshipping journey, how to use these AI tools correctly to save you valuable time and build a much more efficient product research workflow. And honestly, once you start using AI for product research, it's going to be very difficult to go back to doing everything manually. And I can say that from personal experience. Okay, so the first AI tool, and personally my favorite because it combines powerful automation with AI technology, is Autopilot. I mean, it's my favorite. If you know my videos, you know what I'm talking about. This tool can do in just like a few seconds what would normally take an entire day of manual product research, okay? And the process is very straightforward. If you simply choose the filters that match the type of products that you're looking for, and then you just click search, the Autopilot does something incredibly powerful. It automatically matches winning eBay products with their suppliers on websites like Amazon, Walmart, or AliExpress, giving you products that are already backed by real sales data. So let's just jump in and you can follow along, okay, as I show you how to find the best products for your eBay dropshipping business. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, start new scan, like this, okay? Now, this is your control panel, okay, where you will tell the AI exactly what kind of products that you want it to find. Okay, and the settings I will use are ideal for beginners, so please pay attention. If you're a more experienced seller and with higher selling limits, you can always loosen some of these filters to receive a larger variety of products. But first, we have to give my scan a name, okay? I also like adding today's date to scan just to, because it helps me keep organized, basically. That's the whole point. And now I'll just choose the supplier. In this example, I am going to use Amazon.com, okay? Then I'm going to select all product categories and remove the ones that aren't relevant for dropshipping, okay? Now, for the Amazon rating, I'll set up to 4 stars and above. Why? Well, because this helps me find products that customers already like, reducing the chances of returns and negative feedback. And then for competition right here, I'm just going to set a maximum of 12 eBay sellers offering the same product. And the reason behind this is that this gives me products with proven demand while avoiding markets that are just too competitive. Okay. And for the Amazon listings, I only want prime products. And the reason is quite obvious because, that means faster shipping, better customer service, and products fulfilled directly by Amazon instead of third-party sellers. Okay. Now, this next filter right here is very important. I only want products that have generated at least 2 sales. Okay. And during the past 7 days. Okay. Now, this way, I'm focusing on products that are actively selling right now. Okay. And for the product price, since I'm sourcing from Amazon rather than AliExpress, I'm going to set a minimum price of $15. Okay. Like that. And when I drop ship from Amazon, I typically aim for a 10% to a 15% profit margin. So products under $15 usually don't leave enough room for a healthy profit. Okay. Finally, let's just choose how many products that we want the AI to find. And if you're a beginner, I recommend requesting about twice as many products as you plan to list. So, for example, let's just say that your goal is to list 25 products today. Ask the AI to find around like 50 or 60 products, okay? Because that gives you enough options to review and select only the best ones, okay? And when everything's set up like this, all you have to do is click search. Boom, like that. And look at that, okay? Now the AI starts scanning the database along with eBay and Amazon, automatically matching winning eBay listings with their Amazon suppliers and collecting all the data that you need to decide whether each product is worth adding to your store. And after only about like 10 seconds, the scan is complete, my friends. Now, let's just open the results and start reviewing the products that the AI found for us, okay? Now, one thing that you will notice is that the results are divided into 2 categories: exact matches and similar matches, okay? Now, exact matches are the exact same products found on the supplier's website. And similar matches, on the other hand, are products that are very similar. And in many cases, they're actually improved versions of the products that are already selling well on eBay, okay? And honestly, I think this is where this strategy becomes really interesting, because most sellers only list the exact match, but I recommend testing some of the similar matches as well. Why? Because you're introducing a slightly different product into a market where you already know there's proven demand. In many cases, these improved or alternative versions face less direct competition while still attracting buyers searching for the original product. So my recommendation is to list a few of these similar products, okay? Price them within the same range as the successful eBay listings and just monitor their performance, okay? You might be surprised by how well they perform. And sometimes the similar match ends up becoming an even better seller than the original product. I've seen that so many times, okay? All right, let's take a look at some of the products that the AI found for us. So here's the first one, okay? One pack AC 2119 Apple filter. I can see that this product sold 5 times in the past 30 days. And look at this right here, okay? It has only one competitor selling on eBay. So when I open the listings, I can see that it's currently out of stock. But before it sold out, it was priced at $30.61. Okay. And honestly, that's even better for us because it means that the seller is no longer competing for sales. You understand? Giving us the opportunity to become the only seller using that listing title. Now, let's just open the Amazon source, okay? And look at this. The product costs $19.99, which gives us an estimated profit of around $6 per sale after eBay fees. So that is great margin, okay? So let's just look at another example so you understand how it works better, okay? This extra long zip ties, okay? Now, this product right here sold 11 times in the last 30 days. Look at that. And once again, we're looking at a product with only one competitor. The eBay selling price is $15.29, while the Amazon source costs only $9.97. It's estimated profit of around $2.57 per sale. Now, I know what you're thinking. This may not be a huge profit, per item. I understand, but it's exactly the kind of product I like to use as a traffic product because these are affordable everyday items that sell like consistently, helping you generate regular sales to build account momentum and strengthen your eBay store over time. So once I reviewed all the results, okay, I can simply select the products that I want to list, or even select them all if I want, okay? And then from there, I can upload the products directly, okay, to any product monitor. You just come here and then you just click here, upload all, or upload selected products like this, okay? Quite simple. And if you're using one of the product monitors integrated with Zik, you can send the products directly. But if you're using a different product monitor, you can just simply generate a CSV file containing the products that you've selected, and then you can just import into your preferred monitoring software. But before exporting, just to make sure that you exclude any products with restricted keywords or Vero. Okay, so we've just covered one of the most powerful AI tools for automating your product research, and we still have one more tool to go, okay, to explore, and I think that you're gonna love it. Okay, but before we jump in, if you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate it if you could just take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to use the same tools, the same automation tools, the same AI tools that you are seeing throughout this video, you can start using Zik Analytics today. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Comment in any of my videos and I'll get back to you. Okay. Now let me show you how you can find products that are not only trending on eBay, but are actually generating the highest revenue for other eBay dropshippers. And for this, we're going to use a tool called the bulk scanner. This tool combines AI and automation to extract the best performing products from multiple competitors that have the same business model as you. So basically, like, to get the best results, there is just one important preparation step. You need to build a watch list of competitors that match your business, okay? For example, if you're dropshipping on eBay.com and you're sourcing from Amazon.com, you want to save competitors using that exact business model, okay? And the good news is that this is very easy to do. So basically what you do is you simply open the Market Insights dashboard. You see right here, and then you just configure the seller settings to match your business. So in my case, let me do this. Let's do this. In my case right here, I'm going to set business model dropshipping. You see that? Then marketplace, ebay.com. Okay. And then supplier, Amazon.com. Now the dashboard only displays sellers that match my business model. And then from here, I'm just going to review sellers right here, you know, the sellers shown under trending eBay products and trending dropshippers. And like whenever I find a seller that looks promising, I'll quickly review one or two of their products. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if they have healthy profit margins and products with consistent sales. Okay. And I'll simply click add to watch list, okay, and give the seller like a short name or a note, something that makes you, you know, just be organized, and then you just save them. And as your watch list grows, you will build your own database of successful competitors. And once you have a solid list of competitors, you are ready to use the bulk scanner. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, simply open each competitor. Okay, and then you click here, scan all items, and then view scanned items. And then you repeat this for all the competitors that you would like to analyze. Okay, and inside the bulk scanner, select up to 5 competitors, and then click here, add to multi-scanner. And just like the Autopilot, we'll configure just a few filters before starting the scan. And if you're a beginner, these are the settings that I recommend. Minimum price, $15. So there is enough room for a healthy profit margin. Minimum profit, around $3 per sale. Okay. Minimum sales, at least 2 sales, okay, during the past 7 days. So we're focusing on products that are currently gaining momentum. Okay, select the folder where you would like the products to be saved in. Okay, and source website, just choose between Amazon US, Amazon UK, or Walmart US. In this example, I'm going to use Amazon US. And then Prime only, yes, enable. So, you know, we're only sourcing products fulfilled by Amazon for faster shipping and better customer service. Okay, and once everything is ready, I'm just going to click here, create scan. Boom, and here we go. All right. Look at that. Okay, so the scan found 247 products. That's definitely more than we need, but that's actually a good problem to have because now we can be selective. So let's just take a look at some of the results. These products represent the best performing listings from the 5 competitors that we scanned. And do you understand what we did? Like, instead of manually reviewing thousands of listings across multiple stores, the AI has already done the hard work for us. This is exactly where the bulk scanner saves like an incredible amount of time. And to make it even better, or I would say easier, I'm just going to sort the products by highest estimated profit. So let's just look at that. Let's just look at this product right here, okay? Manual lever blockchain, okay? So I can see that this product sold 3 times in the past 30 days, okay? 2 of those sales happened during the last 7 days. So that's a very strong indication that this product is currently gaining momentum, okay? And the eBay selling price is $206.70. This product making this a high ticket product. I would recommend high ticket items like this one for more experienced sellers, okay? But now let's just look at the Amazon source, okay? So the bulk scanner found the exact product for $138.99 with free shipping. So look, that gives us an estimated profit of around $40 per sale after eBay fees. So in other words, this seller generated around $120 in profit during the past 30 days from this single product alone. And honestly, it's probably not a product that most people would ever think to sell on eBay. All right, now let's just check another example. Look, this one right here, this AC DC battery charger, okay? On eBay, it's selling for $107.67 and generated 5 sales during the past 30 days, okay? Now, the matching Amazon source costs only, look at this, $69.99. And right now, there's even an additional 15% coupon available. Even without applying the coupon, you know, the estimated profit after eBay fees is around $23 per sale. So that means that the single product generated around $115 in profit for the dropshipper over the past month. So here's a question that I would ask myself. If you already know this product is selling and you can source it at a profitable price, what's stopping you from listing the exact same product for like 30 or 40 cents less and competing for those same sales? Do you understand? Anyway, so as you have seen throughout this video, AI isn't here to replace your product research, okay? It's here to make it faster, okay? And like far more efficient, in my opinion. So instead of just spending hours searching manually, you can use Autopilot to discover winning products based on your exact criteria. And then you can use the bulk scanner to uncover the best performing products from successful competitors, all in just a few minutes or seconds, you know, as you have seen. The key is to let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on making smart business decisions and growing your store. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more eBay dropshipping strategies and tutorials. And if you would like to use the same AI powered tools that you have seen me use throughout this video, you can start using Zig today, okay? Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me, all right? Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.